imagine earning an extra $500 monthly just to play a simple game on your mobile phone? In today's video, I'm going to share with you an app that's going to help you win over $40 every single day just to play games. I know you guys are so excited, so make sure that you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You're gonna see, obviously, this app. It pays via PayPal, so when you sign up, you have to make sure that you use a valid email address so that you can receive your payment without any inconvenience, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. So the name of the game is called Maribo Hero. Now this is an esport tournament similar to when you play Zumba, and I know you guys have already come across this Maribo game. It's a very exciting game where you can use your own techniques to, eliminate the balls, which we talk about in a few moments. Just like any other game, this app will rank the top 900 players on every single day, and they're going to be paying 6 of these players every single day. So you have to watch it to the very end to really know how. And if you guys are having a hard time sending and receiving payments online, you can create a free account with Payoneer. Now, Payoneer is a leading provider of payment solutions to e-commerce merchants working worldwide, and it is trusted by a lot. So when you sign up with Payoneer, you're going to get a free virtual US bank account number, and you can connect thousands of marketplaces. You can offer your international clients a simple way to pay you. You're going to be able to transfer your earnings to your local bank account at low rates via ATM, because you're also going to be given a free Payoneer MasterCard prepaid debit card, which Payoneer you can pay the VAT authorities in the EU and the UK with the British pounds in euros, funds in your Panthera account for 0 fees, and you can pay your contractors from your Payoneer balance. So now you're going to download the app, install it, and all you need is your mobile phone and an email address so that you can sign up for this amazing opportunity. Next, you're going to open up the app, and then we're going to wait for a few moments to be able to sign in. Step 2, we're going to click on create account and sign up. Choose the username, and if you want to use when playing the game, you can select your country, and as you can see, this opportunity is available to everyone all over the world, and it's completely free. Now, step 3, to unlock Maribo Hero full feature, you're going to log in using either your Facebook or your email address, and of course, we're going to be rewarded to use the game. We're gonna use our email, so we typed it in here. Now make sure that you use a genuine real email address, because you're gonna need that to receive your money. Next, we're gonna create a password, and then we're gonna click on this arrow to go to the next page. For when the game starts, there are 2 modes available: practice mode and survival mode. Now we're gonna select practice, and here you can choose a character, and because we are just starting, we only have 2 characters to choose from. Now usually these characters cost 100 coins in the survival mode, but since we are on practice, we can select this, and let's select level 1 in practice mode. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure that you check out the description box down below. We have a great surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love and appreciate. Also, comment down below where you're from and what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. Now the level will cost you 50, and if you notice, the gameplay is very similar to Zuma, where you're just gonna fire magical balls from your stone. Now, to make matches 3 or more and then clear the deadly chain before what is the golden skull, similarly, all you have to do is match a marble of the same color. But in this game, the goal here is to prevent the line of marbles from reaching the cape. So this is the practice. And just so you know, it's not going to count into survival mode. If you're ready, we're going to try the survival. We're going to click right. Let's select Jesuit. So you're gonna see this, and all you have to do is match the marbles. It's just matching 3 balls of the same color, and then they're gonna be eliminated at the bottom right. You're gonna see the power of these are very healthy, they last longer in the game, and this is the survival mode. So the longer you're in the game, first we have the fire, next comes the cross, which is my favorite. You're gonna hit on any type of whatever you want, but you think is the dominating the board. It's gonna remove all of the marbles of the same color. We have Fraz and Anna's, the name suggested will freeze the movie. Basically, you're just gonna figure out how you're really gonna do this, how you're really gonna play the game. And all you have to do is play the game, and then you're gonna make money from that. I'm gonna continue playing this game. I'm gonna try to use all of my power, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm able to do it. And just like that, once you've done the task, once you've done and aimed and you've done the task, it's over. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. So, let's head on over to the leaderboard, and here you're gonna see your ranking for the day. You're gonna see the remaining time for that date again, and if within that time someone beats, we are gonna be pushed further down and so on, but that doesn't really matter as long as we're in the top 900. Now, every day there are gonna be 6 players selected, okay? 2 bonus winners, and you will get all rewards, and it'll be automatic. Do your wallet, but at the end of the tournament, you're gonna have at least a minimum of $10 to be able to redeem. You're gonna click redeem in the app. You're gonna select the right amount, and then you're gonna receive your winnings. And which is why when registering, you need to use a working and a real email, because they're gonna send that to you through that. They're going to send you an email using the email address that you use when you registration. And then here's a bonus tip. If you are a part of the top 5 highest scores by the end of the remaining time limit, you're going to earn extra money. And that is then going to be deposited into your app account. And then the top player will receive like 25. The second player gets 15 cents. And the number 3 winner earns like 10 cents. While the 4th and 5th gets like a penny. And under a tie, the player with the earliest time. So this is very important. All rewards under the tournament within 72 hours. If not claimed on time, you're going to be then forced. I said your right to your reward. If you don't receive an email, you can message them, and so they can send you an email. You can redeem your prize. So you can always just email them, and they'll definitely respond to you. Now, this is amazing. I know you guys want to learn how you can make money with your phone. If this wasn't so clear, just go on over to the game and play it, and then you're going to figure out how to play the game, and then you're going to earn in that way. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.